Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wa bihi nasta'inu ala umurid dunya waddin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah la nabiyya ba'dah, amma ba'du. Honorable to the injurious and the participant of this competition speech English language and the all audience. First of all, let's thank to Allah the Almighty who has been mercies and blessing until we can attend this meeting without any obstacle in this happy pleasant time. Secondly, may salawat and salam be with our holy prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness in this world as well as in the next world. Thirdly, I will never forget to you all because you have given me the opportunity to deliver my speech in front of this public. On the title, "A slander is more dangerous than murder," the social media becomes an effective speech to the scatter lies. Most of the news was not taken by the factual and actual reality. As the millennials who are obeying our prophet moral of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had to be aware when we will inform the news, we had to check the 100% originality of the source and the data. Frequently, we were manipulated by news. The whole news was misleading, and unfortunately, most of Indonesian Muslims were lazy to read, where they didn't try to find out without thinking first about the news at the social media that they forward for free, and that had consequence in lawbreaker both the state or religion law. So, how does Islam regard in this phenomenon? Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani to Fathul Bari gave the sharhu on a hadith, the word spoken, mentioned especially because he was being iktibar and sought which what are inside in ourselves. Similarly, with word hand that used to tip us the chain of the spoken. Al-Muslimu man salima al-Muslimuna min lisanihil wayadi. Imam Ghazali explained about the culture of our hand in Bidayatul Hidayah Holy Book as both of your hand took care it from bidding the Muslims or used to seek forbidden wealth, or used to make hard between us, or used to betray as belief and attachment, or to write something that could not be spoken because the result of writing from the spoken representation. The meaning was claimed in hoax will have trouble in reality due to the bad effect was massive in the news were read by netizens that they were lazy to read, lazy to find out, and they didn't look about the human class. As the millennials started to be Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's successor and has becoming his attitude as the good example, then it's become the main to all of us given the understanding about dangers of hoax in reality. There was so many cases that happened in our country because they was lazy to read and forward the unclear news. Finally, they were an impression. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "O you who have believed, if there come to you a deceiving one with information, investigation, lest you harm a people out of ignorance and become over what you have done to regret." Al-Hujurat and Al-Quran. One the best thing should we did was silent. If we didn't know about the truth, the call silent is golden. Enough to stop on you. Don't share, lest we use the social media good as Muslim role. and let's give mercy and love suitable in our destiny, Islam, Rahmatan Lil'Alamin. That is all. Think that I could share our struggle would be hard in the future, because leather was handed in our hand every day. Be with your smartphone. You are the man behind the gun. If there mistake in my speech, I do apologize to you all. Maybe I say thanks very much for your attention. I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.